Tracking Jupiter like Galileo. 4 nights that changed astronomy. Travel back to 4 chilly nights in 1610 when a curious professor and a few disobedient dots around Jupiter nudged Earth off center stage. Number 5. Epilogue. The sky rewrites the rules. By the time the ink dried on Sidereus Nuncius, the scholarly world had a case of celestial whiplash. Here was a planet with its own entourage, a cosmic mic drop that made geocentrism look like yesterday's news. Priests debated, professors harumphed, and telescope sales quietly boomed, as Galileo's 4-night fling with Jupiter became the gateway drug to a universe where evidence, not ego, ran the show. Number 4. Night 4. Proof in motion. On the 4th night, the stars, near Jupiter, had swapped places yet again. One tucked in tight, another peeking out from the far side, turning suspicion into certainty. They weren't background stars at all, but moons in orbit, a self-contained clockwork proving that not everything pirouettes around Earth. It was the tidy, moving argument heliocentrists had been craving, delivered with all the swagger of a planet flaunting its own mini-empire. Number 3. Night 3, a miniature solar system. The 3rd night played like a cosmic soap opera. 4 lights now, lining up in a neat row as if Jupiter were a ringmaster and Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto were acrobats taking turns leaping from one side to the other. With each scribbled sketch, Galileo watched the choreography resolve into orbits, a tiny solar system rehearsing the big one's rules right where anyone with a decent telescope could see them. Number 2. Night 2, the dots that wouldn't behave. Night 2 was when the universe started misbehaving. In the best way, because those fixed stars near Jupiter weren't fixed at all. By lantern glow, Galileo's notebook filled with nervy little arrows and distances, as the dots edged closer and farther from the planet in a pattern too pushy to ignore, like beads on a string being slid back and forth by an invisible hand. Number 1. Night 1, strangely aligned stars. It began with a shiver and a squint. Galileo turned his homemade telescope toward Jupiter and spotted a few tiny pinpricks hugging the planet in a straight line, suspiciously tidy for random stars. He logged their positions with the care of a clockmaker, unaware that his simple sketch, 3 dots and a giant, was the first frame of a discovery that would ding the pride of Earth and elevate the power of looking carefully. So grab a telescope, a notebook, and a bit of stubborn wonder, because, as Jupiter and its moons still demonstrate, the universe rewards those who keep watching for the dots that won't behave.